Hey guys, welcome back. Like I told you on the last reel, I was going to be putting the Prevost piping for the CR Spotless, which I have started. The copper water line that I have that attaches to the elbow, the Prevost elbow, that was probably the biggest nightmare of the entire thing. I have a shark bite fitting with a 1/2 inch MPT female attached to the back of the Prevost elbow. It took forever to stop dribbling water. I don't even have the water turned on. So I'm afraid when the water goes on, it might be leaking like crazy. But right now, it is holding. So I'm going to finish the rest of the kit and turn the water on, see what happens. All right, a little bit more progression. Still no leaks, which is a plus. I've got everything plumbed where I want it. And for some reason, this thing looks like it's twisted. So that looks better. Okay. So I haven't really locked everything down yet. Working on it. But like I was saying, it's level. Oh, that pipe needs to be twisted because I do not want words exposed on this side. But I got everything pretty much done. I'm going to put in the additional piece that I elected to go with, and I'll show you guys that here in just a second. All right, guys, look at that. It's a 36-inch bucket filler solution from Obsessed Garage. I got all of this from Obsessed Garage on the Prevost kit and the bucket filler. That bucket filler is obscenely expensive. I don't understand why it's that expensive. I mean, it's very quality stuff, but god dang, why has it got to be so much? And then the nozzle will be attached there at the bottom. Perfect height to win the bucket right here. Oh. Perfect height when the bucket's there. Now that's a 3.5 gallon. I'm gonna upgrade to 5 gallons down the road, but yeah, that looks really good. Quarter turn, done. Now I just need to attach the top to the pressure washer, and we done, boys. We done. There it is, guys. Completed. All assembled. Now I just need to finish the hole in the wall, patch that up, patch up those little other holes. I actually had to move the CR Spotless again lower. You can see the 4 holes there. Had to go a little bit lower, but ready to go, guys. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Do you think this bucket filler is overkill? Because I personally think it's awesome. The nozzle will be here Monday. It got delayed, but it's coming together. Almost done. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one.